I know. Running.
Yup.
Yay! My turn. Huh. 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 Huh.
Are you working out?
Yeah, you're right, Mommy. It's your turn now.
Okay. Let's see what you got, Mom.
Go, Mommy. Go, Mommy.
Let's go, honey.
Ooh, I know.
What? How would you know?
I forgot what it's called, but Mommy does it with Uncle Fred all the time when Daddy's at work.
Oh, great heavens!
I'm gonna go get milk.
Okay, don't take too long.